I'm going to show you how to download Instagram in your MacBook. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So the first step is to just open any browser that you like. So it could be anything. I'm going to choose Google Chrome, which is right over here. After you tap here, you just need to type in Instagram download and just press enter. So as you tap on the first option, you can see it says this app is available only on the App Store for iPhone. So the one thing you can do is just open the Instagram website itself in your Google Chrome. And once you're here, just look at the top right over here. So it says open an app. Since I've already downloaded the Instagram option, but you should see something else over here. I'm going to show it to you by uninstalling the Instagram that I do have. So instead of open an app, you should see something like install app. So after you tap here, you should get the Instagram app right over here. It should be something like this. So there you go. This is an app. So it's completely monitored by Google. So it's a Google Chrome app. So if you're not using Google Chrome, there's a less likely chance that it will happen, or you'll be able to download with other browsers. So it's a Google Chrome only thing. So if you want to download Instagram, then you may need to use Google Chrome. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.